preacher talks the streets of gold, a perfect story, centuries old. But my old friend curled up by the fire is the only grace that I require. You gotta walk a narrow line to leave this sinner's life behind. But if the good Lord's got a place for souls, mine's with those who love me most. It's not the judgment day I'm dreading, and heaven's where this man is heading. But I just can't see that place as home if I'm walking through those gates alone. If there ain't no dogs in heaven, then hell, I don't wanna go. If there ain't no dogs in heaven, then hell, I don't wanna go. I'll turn around, tip my hat and say, where my dogs are, that's where I'll stay. Maybe the good Lord understands a man ain't much without his friends. By my side in good times and bad, the best friends a man has ever had. Through sunshine and the pouring rain, they gave me love and they knew my pain. I've seen more kindness in those loving eyes than any sermon under summer skies. They don't care about the sins I've done, just being real and having fun. So when the time comes to lay me low, there's just one thing, Lord, you need to know. If there ain't no dogs in heaven, then hell, I don't wanna go. If there ain't no dogs in heaven, then hell, I don't wanna go. I'll turn around, tip my hat and say, where my dogs are, that's where I'll stay. Whenever life would knock me down, my dog would chase off every frown and curl up on a winter night beside me by the fire's light. And I know one day when I'm past my prime on a starless night, it will be my time. But if my dogs ain't waiting